Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my piece. Hey.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. That's too long for me. So cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you.
Y'all, I made it to Houston. Me and my mama, we had to stop at the Mexican restaurant. Our favorite little restaurant. We've been eating it for years. It had been different different owners, different names. We still. She putting Doritos in these people dip. Ghetto.
It's good.
Yeah, my mama got her kitchen redone. I had to show y'all. It looks so good. Bring some water.
Yeah, water in the car. I ain't done too out for no water. You wanna go get the water?
They didn't bring you water?
They sell water.
Oh.
$2 and something at the bottom. I don't ever get no water. I drink my water when I get back in my car. You want your water?
Yeah. Well, I started to grab my bottle of water. Now my mama said bring your own water from my side. I'm eating. Got the tacos. I got the tacos.
I ain't supposed to go on. Get a piece of avocado on there. I ain't gonna get no more. We're gonna eat later.
First of all, my mama in the kitchen making a gumbo. Let me show y'all the new.
It's too hot for it.
Let me show y'all my mama new kitchen. It's so cute. Everything's so wide. She got a new pantry too. It's big now. It used to just be like where that little thing at. It used to just be that much. And right here was like a double stove. Like this part right here was a double stove, and only that was the pantry. But she got the double stove removed, and there's the double pantry. Now her stove is over there with the 6 island, cause you know she like to cook. Oh, my little my nephew. Well, he ain't my little nephew cause he 18 now, but he graduated high school, and my mama asked him what he wanted, and he told her a gumbo. As hot as it is outside, he want a gumbo. So she making him a gumbo. Period. This one got blue crabs in it. Y'all know when we did it, we had snow crabs. This one got blue crabs. He is an ugly crab right there. Put him back in there.
Stuff him back.
Me a different one. He look like he a dolphin. Anyway, yeah. So we about to go to the store so we can find some stuff to organize the pantry. I have put all like items together over here, and we're gonna go find some stuff to organize the pantry, make it look cute and stuff. So that's it. Give my Stinker. Hey, Stinker.
I wasn't expecting to see ain't that. What y'all got in this bag? Anything
That's
for me?
Kinder. No, it's
Oh,
not.
I thought it was a polo shirt, some polo boots.
What's your glasses on that bag? You don't expect stuff
On the glasses. Oh, what's in the glasses?
Oh, wait, I want to see clothes.
Louis Vuitton.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
I see you got your
Hey, ain't it Stinker? Hey, ain't it Stinker? Hey. Hey, mama. Hey. Hey. This is already the formula already made. Yeah, you 12. Hey, hey, Stinker. Come here.
Look.
Come here. Hey, sit down. Calm down.
Look at
Come here. Stop. Stop. Come here. Right here. Right here. Stop.
Yeah, that look crazy.
Hey. Hey. I am. Come here. Come here. Come here. He be trying to hop on the couch. He be trying.
Well, he can't make it. He's a damn
He can't. Look, he be trying.
like a rabbit.
Like a rabbit.
Go over there. Oh, you really got me on that camera.
Not in your pajamas.
My bad go to bed. Go.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Bye.
Come on.
Go take him home. Go walk with him. Go bye.
Come on. Come on.
Bye.
Come on. Come here. Come here.
You ain't gotta keep running over here.
Right here.
So I'm going to my mama's shit.
All right, y'all. Guess what, y'all? I am in Houston. Touchdown yesterday. I ain't did shit but really hanged out with my mom. But right now, I'm going to go get my hair braided. And I know last time y'all was asking me, oh, what braiding shop did I go to? What braiding shop do I use? And stuff like that. Because, you know, you don't need no appointment. You can just walk in. She's fast. She braids my hair in like 2.5 hours. So, I'm pulling up. It's on 400 in West Bedford, to be honest. If y'all from Houston, y'all gotta make sure that y'all check out Highburns, because this is my favorite meat market right here. I go in here to get they boudin balls. You ready? Kim's Kitchen. You getting a boudin ball? You getting a boudin ball? You want one? Hey, little boy. You want one? Hi, can I get the boudin balls?
Spicy amount?
Spicy.
How many?
3. Because if y'all ain't getting them boudin balls, period, bomb.com.
Spicy, right?
Yeah. Hey y'all, good morning. I am up, I think it's Saturday, at my mom's house still, and I got my hair braided yesterday. So yeah, I'm about to decorate her pantry. So I'm just getting all the stuff out, gonna wash up all the containers and get ready to see how I want to arrange them in the cabinet. So that's pretty much what I'm about to get ready to do. I did get all the things from Burlington's. Oh, was it Ross? We went to Ross, Burlington's, Home Goods, and, you know, to find all the stuff. So that's really what I'm about to get ready to do, since my dad is rushing me. Hurry up and get the stuff off the counter. Hey, Manastika. Hey, Anastika. Hey, Anastika. Hey, Anastika.
Ice cold. Where you get that ice from?
Hey, Anastika. They is crumbles. She didn't crumble these chips up to no man's land. Hey, ain't it stinker? That was about the only thing funny on that special. Make it what? You know I be doing my vlogs. Look at her with this you know. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Oh, they are nice size. I'm just gonna start taking some of the stuff, or taking the stuff out of here and start trying to like arrange it how I want it. Like I said, I don't like how deep they are. I wish the man would have went in a U shape, but hey, whatever. We're going to make it work. I have took all the stuff out the coolers because she had things in coolers. So I have took all the stuff out of the coolers. And this is what we picked up from Home Goods. This says a fridge storage, but we're going to use it in the pantry. I got 2 of these. They were $6.99. These came from Burlington's. I got 2 of these. These was $3.99 from Burlington's. I did get some of these risers. I really wanted this one, but they only had one. I got some Lazy Susans. They was $5.99. This is where most of the money went, because these things are like $15 for each, you know. So, and then these were also $15 too. So, yeah. I also got some more. I should have got another one of these, because yeah, we also got some more of these. Because we made sure we got 2 of each, and I think we only got 3 of those, which we should have had. We should have had got another one. And I also got some of these baskets. I wanted to get some wooden baskets, but I couldn't find them in board. So we just got these, and these was $3.99. So we'll see how that works out. Y'all, I am done with my mama pantry. We're gonna put some double-sided tape on this though. This not gonna stay like that. But yes, everything is completed. We got the spaghetti, linguine stuff back there. These were $12.99 each. She already had that. All of these was like $13.99, $14.99 each. These were $15.99 each, these big ones. All of these was around the same thing, $14.99 each. Noodles, because this house love noodles. Cookie jars, these was $14.99 each. We got some Lazy Susans in the bag. We got some stands for the canned goods. My mama don't really cook out no cans, so you ain't gonna really find too many canned goods in there because she's a cook. So, you know, chili, pork and beans, and Rotel is probably the most of it. And then we got some soda, some water. This just some random stuff. Mashed potatoes, popcorn, tuna. She loves making Jell-O shots, so that's what that is back there. Potato chips. She got some different stuff in here. Plasticware, forks, spoons, and just some odds and ends. So yeah, I am done with the pantry.
To the right, to the left, down right.